Founded in 1881, the American Association of University Women, AAUW, has a mission to advance gender equity for women and girls through research, education, and advocacy. The Janesville AAUW branch was very impressed with all of the Milton High School applications. This year's recipient was selected because she has successfully balanced strong academics with sports, extracurriculars, service to others, and employment. Her careful consideration of college selection stood out on her application when she wrote, "One of the strongest appeals of the colleges that I am deciding between are their medical programs. They are at the forefront of research and will elevate my chances of being accepted into medical school." I am thrilled to announce that the recipient of the AAUW Carolyn Krebs Memorial Scholarship is Tessa Lambert. Congratulations, Tessa, and best wishes.